Hi guys, if you got banned from Tinder just like me, I just got banned, and here is exactly what I did guys to get unbanned. You can easily get unbanned from Tinder by following these steps that I'm about to show you right now. Now the first thing guys you need to do, you want to open your browser. It could be Safari, Google Chrome, any browser you like, and search for Tinder customer service. Okay, you want to search for Tinder customer service, and after that guys you want to click on contact us, the first website. Make sure you are clicking on the official website of Tinder. It says here this is it's a tinder.com. okay, make sure it says tinder.com, and it says there contact us, Tinder, match, chat, meet, and modern dating. Click on the first website guys, and after that you will see this page. Now what you want to do guys, you want to click on contact us. Okay, now if you are on this page, all you have to do guys, you want to click on contact us, as you can see, help and support. Click on contact us, and after that like it will give you what we can help you with. Like Tinder will ask you what is your problem. Now you want to click here and select your problem. Select the first option that says here terrible with account login, and after that guys you want to click on what's going on. Okay, what's going on means like what problem you have specifically. You want to click here and then click on can't log in, my account was banned, and after that guys you want to enter here the email that is associated with your Tinder. Okay, you want to enter here the email. I'm going to enter it right now. Now after you enter guys the email, you just have to enter the phone number that is associated with your Tinder. Now I'm going to enter my email. Now, next you want to enter your phone number here. Now after you enter guys your phone number, it's 10. So after you enter your phone number, you want to type the description. Okay, the description you have to say, you have to explain to Tinder why you got banned, or just tell them that you won't do what you did again. Just like to ask them to remove the ban, remove the suspension from your account, or just if you got banned for like a very random reason, like you don't even know the reason, just explain to them like, hi Tinder, my account was banned for no reason. Okay, just tell them that your account was banned for no reason, and you would like to use your account again. Okay, I would like to use my Tinder account again. I did nothing wrong. Okay, so all you have to do guys, you just have to enter this and then after that guys you want to scroll down a little bit and click on submit. And the best thing about this is they will get back to you. Sometimes they will get back to you within like 4 hours, 5 hours, but sometimes it takes longer, but the max is like 24 hours. So don't worry, they will get back to you and solve your problem easily. So just enter here, like explain to them why you get banned or anything, like explain to them to forgive you, something like that. Just convince them to unban you and then click submit. Now the moment you click on submit, like I said, just to be patient guys and you wait. But the best way to literally like find your partner guys is to go out with like to the street and meet people and then say hi. You just that's what I do guys most of the time. These things don't really work anymore because a lot of competition, like a lot of people do the same thing. They go to Tinder, just go to girls, and if they reject you, then the rejection is really a part of life. Like nothing happens. What's the worst thing that can happen if you go to someone and ask them for their number or anything? Like nothing will happen guys. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel.